What's going on, guys? In today's video, it's a highly requested one. I'm going to be showing you how to bridge into the Binance Smart Chain network if you're in the US or anywhere in the world, really. And all this is going to require is that you have a crypto.com exchange account, and that's going to be the main thing that we're using. So I've outlined the steps here if you want to take a look and go through it. The first thing we're going to do is add the Polygon and Binance Smart Chain networks to our metamask. If you don't know how to do that, there's a separate video if you want. Second thing is you need to understand that you're going to need the native token for each network. So the same way you pay Ethereum to use the Ethereum network, you're going to use Matic to pay for the Matic network. And you're going to be using BNB, which is Binance's coin, to pay for the Binance network. So you're going to need about 0.1, 0.05 of each token in order to do this, because you're going to be on the Matic network and the BNB networks, BSC network. So you're going to need those tokens. After that, you're going to just buy the USDC from crypto.com, get some free Matic from a faucet, and then we'll just bridge it. So I'll show you how to do everything in this video. All right, so step one, whenever we want to add a custom network, we're going to use the shortcut, which is to go on beefy.finance. And this is going to let you add any network you want into your MetaMask. As you can see, there's like Phantom, Arbitrum, all this stuff. So we're just going to click Binance Smart Chain because that's the one we want to add. Injected MetaMask and this button right here, switch to BSC. It's going to prompt you to add the BSC network and hit approve, switch networks. And now you go to MetaMask. You can switch between BSC and Ethereum, and your MetaMask address is the exact same. So that's adding BSC. Now we're gonna go back and add the Polygon network. So same thing, just click on Polygon, switch to Polygon network, approve it, and switch network. And now you can switch freely between multiple networks with the exact same MetaMask. All right, so the next step is gonna be to go on crypto.com and buy some USDC stablecoin. And when you go to the withdraw page, you should have the option to select Polygon as a network. And then right here under the Polygon address, that's gonna be where you put in the the MetaMask address. So just paste it in there and then confirm the withdrawal and do all that security check. Sometimes, for some of you, you might have the option to withdraw it over BSC, the Binance Smart Chain. If you do have that option, you should do it because you're going to skip an entire step. And yeah, the same thing. Just put in your MetaMask address, withdraw it, and then it should show up in your BSC account, BSC chain. However, if you don't have that option, just do what I said and withdraw it over Polygon. Put in your MetaMask address, and we can go on to the next step. All right, so by this point, if you look in your MetaMask after you've withdrawn the token, you're not gonna see the USDC stablecoin at all. It's not gonna show up. You're not gonna see it at all. So in order to add it, you're gonna go to CoinGecko and type in the coin right here, USDC. And then over here where it says contract, you're gonna click these three dots and it says Polygon POS. Click the little MetaMask button beside it, and it's going to add the token for you automatically. Okay, and then now if you look, you should see your USDC right there. And same thing, we're going to do the exact same thing, switch to Binance Smart Chain, and same thing, click the three dots under the contract address and look for the Binance right there, Binance Smart Chain, MetaMask button, add token. Okay, so you're done that step, and we're now going to do the bridging. Okay, so by now you've probably got the USDC visible in your Polygon mainnet, and your Matic balance might be 0. So like I said, you do need to have Matic in order to do stuff on the Matic network, and you need BNB to do stuff on the BNB network. So what you got to do to get some Matic is you can either try this, which is a faucet. So I'll leave a link in the description, but you just put in your address right here, click I'm a human, do the security check, and it's going to send you a little bit of Matic in your wallet so that you can do the bridge. If that works, awesome. If it doesn't work, you can use this website as well, which is a gasless swap for Polygon. And basically you would just put in the token that you have here. So it's the stable coin, and you can approve this. Or sorry, you got to put in how much Matic you want to get. So you're going to trade them some USDC for Matic. So you don't really need that much. You can, put like 0.02, which is like 4 cents worth. So you can approve that, or it's got to be at least 1 Matic. Okay, so just do 1 Matic. So it's like $2. Approve it. It's going to do the thingy transaction, and then it's going to let you swap and just hit the swap button. And then that's going to give you some Matic in your wallet, and that's it. So now you've got some Matic, and now you can get on to the bridging step. Okay, so now the final step is we're going to be bridging. So we're going to use any swap.exchange, and we're going to go from Polygon network / Matic version of USDC into BSC USDC. So I'm going to explain exactly what we've done so far. Basically, what we've done is we've taken the USDC version of Matic from crypto.com because it's the cheapest and the fastest in terms of gas fees. And that's what makes this bridging the most affordable. And now we're going to bridge it into BSC because if you're American, you're not allowed to buy it directly from Binance, right? So you have to bridge into it by other means. So you have to do this whole process. Hence, you're watching this video. So all you got to do is bridge the amount. So it's up here if you want to do the maximum, or just type in a custom amount. The fee is $1, and I think the minimum is like $12. So I'll do whatever. I'll do like $30. I'm gonna bridge. I'm gonna hit swap. For you, you're gonna see the approve button. So approve it and then hit swap. I'm just gonna hit swap. Don't worry about this message here. It's just warning you that there could be insufficient liquidity on the BSC side, but because we're doing USDC, there is. There's like millions of dollars worth of liquidity, so it's nothing to worry about. So just let that go through. That's going to be pending, and you can click this link if you want to see the status of your transaction, but it should be pretty quick. Now we're going to switch over to Binance Smart Chain and take a look at the balance show up. All right, so if you're still on the Explorer page, you can refresh it, and you should see your status change to confirming. And now if I check my metamask under the Binance Smart Chain network, you will see I've now received the USDC. So that's it. That's how you bridge. And again, you will need to get some BNB in there to actually use this money. Now what I would suggest is to get maybe 0.02 BNB, and then after that directly go to PancakeSwap. Once you've got enough to pay for the gas fees, go to PancakeSwap, and you can buy more just so that you have enough to cover future gas fees. So if you're going, from USDC, let's say you've bridged, $1,000, whatever, you should buy about $50 worth of BNB and just have it in there just for future gas fees, and just buy it as soon as you get enough to pay for the transaction. So that's it for this video. If you guys do need help and need some BNB, you can look up some faucets. You can Google it, or if you really want, you're gonna have to DM me on Twitter and just message me your token address, and then I'll send you a little bit of gas BNB just to cover the gas fee, but just pay me back as soon as you buy more. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Peace.